Hey everyone, gather around. Today we're going to talk about something really interesting called the battle for the plate. Look at this big, colorful picture. Right at the top it says, the battle for the plate, why your brain resists healthy eating. That means sometimes your brain fights against eating healthy food. Even though your brain is super smart, it doesn't always want broccoli. It wants chips. First, look over here on the left. The identity trap. This big guy is holding a cupcake, a burger, and chips. He looks very proud. When you eat unhealthy food for a long time, your brain starts to think, I'm the kind of person who loves sweet food. I'm a sweet tooth. Just like this little princess says, I've always been a sweet tooth. When your brain believes that, it becomes much harder to change. Look at the brain hugging this big red heart that says authentic self. The brain is saying, don't take my burgers away. That's part of me. So when someone says you should eat more vegetables, your brain sometimes hears it as a threat to your identity. That's why change feels hard. Now look at the right side, logic versus sensation. We have two parts of the brain arguing. One part is the logic brain, the smart boss. He knows broccoli is good for you. He says, it's good for you. But the habit brain only understands feelings in your body. He only cares about, does this feel good right now? Does it taste yummy? He even holds up a big red stop sign. Here's the tricky part, the neural disconnect. We have two important characters. The CEO. This is the boss of your brain. He wears a suit and makes smart plans. Let's eat healthy, exercise, and feel strong. The foreman. This guy is like the factory worker who controls your daily habits. He wears a hard hat and runs on feelings and pleasure. The big problem? There's no direct phone line between the CEO and the foreman. The smart boss gives orders, but the habit worker doesn't hear them. So class, here's what we learned today. Your brain isn't being naughty. It's just doing its job protecting your old self. But every time you choose fruit instead of lollies or water instead of soft drink, you are slowly training your brain and building new, stronger habits. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. Just like learning to ride a bike. At first it's hard, but with practice it gets easier and easier. Remember, you are training your brain to become a healthier, stronger, happier version of you. Let your children make their own vital life choice.
About vital life choice. Mental choices shape physical quality. Your vital choice of life.
Join Vital Life Choice
to share your stories about diabetes or pre-diabetes.
Make a vital choice of life for yourself and your loved one.
Join us now.
Join us now.
Join us now.
Join us now.
Join us now. Join us now.
Join us now to make your vital life choice.